ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Get into the Sandhi directly. Other chanting we will do it later. Now, if you have any doubts before we start, you can ask. Remember the sequence of the Sandhi rules, what we saw in the last class. Hello? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, the sequence of Sandhi rules we saw. Jashtva Sandhi, then Shutva Shtutva, then Annasika Sandhi, then Dachal Vidhi number 2, then Chartha Vidhi, then Parasarna Sandhi, and all is going to come. We will see one by one. So Jashtva Vidhi number 1. Somebody asked me doubt to WhatsApp. Which will become just letter? I gave the example of this Jashtva Vidhi number 2. Further, in that I gave the example. Dog Dum, Gakara is there, which is Jal letter. This Dakara it is there. That is also Jal letter. Which Jal will become? Which Jal will become? In this case, it is not a Padanta Jal. In the first Jashtva Sandhi, it's a Padanta Jal. Here, which Jal letter? This letter alone you have to look upon as Jal letter. Gakara. Jal letter followed by Jash letter. So Jal letter followed by Jash letter. Following means what? That comes after. So therefore, Dakara must be Jash letter. And this must be Jal letter. Okay. This is Jashtva Vidhi number 2. In case of Jashtva Vidhi number 1, it is clear. There is no confusion there. Padanta Jal we are talking about. Padanta Jal, at the end of the Padam, Jal letter will be replaced by its corresponding Jash letter. The third letter of its class. That is Jashtva Sandhi. Then Shutva Sandhi. This is the order. The order you have to remember. If you bypass the order, you will not get the form. Sometimes you will get by chance, but you have to follow this order to get the the right form. Shutta Sandhi, if it is applicable, Shtutta Sandhi, keeping in mind the apavadas, whatever may be the apavada. Then Anunasika Sandhi, we saw Padanta yar letter referring to, really it is Varga Vyanjanani here. Varga Vyanjanani it is. Raswa. Varga Vyanjanani. The year letter you can exclude the sibilants and the semi-vowels. You will not see. So Padantayar literally we can take it as Varga Vyanjanani. That is 25 letters. So when Padantayar followed by a Anunasika, then what happens to a year letter? It will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika. It means fifth letter of its class. Fifth letter of the year letter. Whatever the year letter is, that will be the replacement. Fifth letter is Anunasika. Nasikaya saha vartate iti Anunasikaha. That is Anunasika Sandhi. Then after that, Jasha Sandhi. Yadi Jalampare. Yadi Jalampare Jash vartate. Tarhi Jalasya sthane Jash adesha bhavati. Jal letter followed by Jash. Jal will be replaced by Jash letter. Jash will be the number 2. We call it as number 2 because 1 is there and this is number 2. The 2 follows 1. If Jastra is not accomplished by the first sutra, by the second one it is accomplished. Yadi Jastram Pratama Sutrena, Pratama Niyamena Siddhyati. Dvitiya Jastrena Siddhyati. If it is conditions are applicable, it will accomplish Jastram. Then after Jastram we saw Chartavidi. What is Chartavidi? Chartavidi is that also we can divide it into 2. One is Jal letter followed by Kar. Always here Jal letter you have to remember. Jal is Stani, which undergoes change. So Jal letter followed by Kar letter. Then the Jal letter will be replaced by its corresponding Char letter. Char ityukte sarve pratama varnaha, vargiya pratamaha. Then that Ushmatraya, Ushma, the Varnaha, that Shashasa, only those letters will come under Char letter. So Char will be the Adesha. Okay. Therefore, Chartavidi. This condition is when followed by Kar letter. Or when followed by Avasana. Avasana is Viramaha Avasanam. The pause. Or Vakyasya Antaha. End of the sentence, which is indicated by a danda, stoppage. If Avasana follows Jal, Tarhi, then Jalasya Sthane Jash Char Adesha Bhavati. Like in the example, Ramat, we say Ramat. Ramat, how you get Ramat or Ramat, both are okay. If it is Ramad, Dakara, Tritiya Varna, then followed by nothing, followed by Avasana. Already, then it is the Dakara is replaced by Dakara, Ramat. Okay. I think up to this we saw in the last class. Did we see a Parastavarna Sandhi? That also we have seen.
Yes, Guruji.
We have seen, right? Parastavarna also. So Parastavarna Sandhi, that also is, I made it into 2, 1 and 2. Why? Because one is Padanta, other one is A letter. So what happens here, we'll see. Anuswara will be replaced by, now Anuswara comes, this talks about Anuswara. Anuswara, when followed by A letter, then what will happen? That Anuswara will be replaced by the corresponding A letter. Anuswara being Nasika. Anuswara is what? Nasika Anuswarasya iti Shikshasu, Sutreshu, Drishtam. So therefore, Anuswara is Anunasika. Therefore, the A letter, the following A letter, the A letter which follows. What is A letter? A letter includes all the varna except the sibilants. So excepting sibilant, all the letters, all the Vyanjanani. Sarve Vyanjanani Ushma Varnan Vihaya. So when A letter follows, then Anuswara will be replaced by the corresponding Anunasika component of the following A. If Ka follows, its Anunasika letter is fifth letter. If Cha follows, its Anunasika component letter is fifth letter. Similarly, if Yakara follows, what is its Anunasika component? If Yakara, that is also included in A, right? Sarve Vyanjanani Ushma Varnan Vihaya is it, excepting Ushma letter, sibilants. All the letters are included. When we say all the letters, this Vargiya Vyanjanani Santi, then semi-vowels. What is the Anunasika component of Ya, the semi-vowel?
Nga, Sharanji?
Not Nya, no.
Young.
What is that?
Young. Super.
So class class. Janga.
No,
Yeah,
it
with
is
the
not.
Chandra Bindu on top.
Ya and the Chandra Bindu on the top. That we have discussed. You have to remember that. Ya with the Chandra Bindu on the top. That is the Anunasika Savarna of Ya, not Nya. Okay. In terms of the Ucharana Sthanam, it is same. In terms of Ucharana Sthanam, it is same. But in terms of Prayatna, the effort is different. Anyway, that part is not required. There are all technical details. When do you call a letter to be Savarna to another letter?
The
What is it?
Ucharana Sthana is the same.
Ucharana Sthanam as well as Prayatna. Both. We know only Ucharana Sthanam. I hope we know it.
Yes, sir.
Then Prayatnam, that we don't know, that not required now. Prayatnam is the technical subject. Abhyantara Prayatnam, Bhagya Prayatnam, iti Prayatna Dvayam Asti. Abhyantara Prayatnam is internal effort. Bhagya Prayatnam is external effort. Abhyantara Prayatnam Panchada Bhavati. It is of 5 types. All those are technical details. And Bhagyantara Prayatnam Ekadasha. The Ekadasha Daha Santi. It is of 11 types, in fact. So Abhyantara Prayatnam, if you take, there we have Sprishtam, Ishat Sprishtam, Ishat Vivritam, Vivritam, Samvritam, iti. These are all effort. Anyway, let us not get into the technical details. So from the effort standpoint, Yakara, Nyakara, they are different. Therefore, they are not Savarna. Simple. Okay. In terms of Ucharana Sthanam, they are same. But in terms of Prayatna, it is different. Therefore, Savarna letter of Yakara is not Nya. That is wrong. Savarna letter of Yakara is Ya with the Chandra Bindu. That is, I'm typing here, you can see Yakara. 1 minute, I'm not able to type it here. Yes. Just a minute. So what happened? So my typing has happened. So let me type here. You can see. I'm This yakara of the savarna of yakara will be yakara with a chandra bindu. Okay, I'm typing here. There's just note this just space. Here you can see yakara of for yakara the savarna letter is anunasika savarna is ya. Similarly, for lakara it is for lakara you can take pure consonant. Ya, then ya with the nasal. Similarly, laka for lakara, la with the nasal. Then for vakara, va with the nasal. And for repa,
It's not there.
repa doesn't have savarna. This we have seen. So repa leave it, not there. Only yakara has come. So therefore, if a letter yakara follows, then the anuswara will be replaced by corresponding this anunasika letter. In chanting, you will see Tachayora Vranimahe Gatui Yajnaya Gatui Yajnapataye. There it is Gatum Yajnaya. We say here Gatum. I'm just giving an example. Okay. Let me write this example as this here itself. Gatum plus Yajnaya. Anuswara followed by a letter. Chanting. It happens. What happens? This Gatum, the Anuswara will be replaced by the Yai. Gatui. You have to say like that. Gatui Yajnaya iti. I think this example I will put it in the Parasavarna Sandhi number 2. It is relevant very much there because there we are talking about.
Can you just explain once more the savarna of the following? Yes, I'm not clear that how this savarna became savarna.
How Savarna becomes Savarna.
No, how that word, what are the savarna? How you distinguish savarna?
Savarna, what do you mean by Savarna? You explain, tell me.
Came, yeah, that I understood. But how that
No,
identify
I'm
the
asking you, what is Savarna? You tell me. What is Savarna?
without savarna means the same class.
Same class is not Savarna. First, you have to understand what Savarna is. The Savarna, Dirgha, Sandhi and all we saw.
Yes.
But what is Savarna then? What
The
is
same-
same class? If you say same class, what class is that?
Like ah become ah.
And what is the class there? They don't become. And they are Savarna. Savarna letters. For Akara is Savarna, we say. Why? You're asking question, right? I will ask
Yeah.
the question now. You have to answer. This knowledge, basic knowledge is required, and only other
Just
knowledge can take
recollect,
place.
notable recollect.
Simple. There's no reconnection. It's all basic thing. We should know it. Then every time we cannot go back, right? We have to remember all these things, all basic things. This knowledge should be there. Then only we can understand what we have studied and what we are going to study. We can understand. Anybody, what is Savarna?
The I is
That is example not required. I have to want with the definition. What is Savarna? You have to clearly
Ucharna
understand.
sthanam should be the
Similar.
same.
Ucharna sthanam is the same. Similar letters.
Same.
Similar is English. We have to explain. Ucharana sthanam. That is correct. Having the same place of Ucharanam. That is, and effort. Effort also is there. Having the same place of, that's what we discussed so far. I mean, in fact, I told what Savarna is.
right.
I told what Savarna is. You have to remember this, all this. See, whatever we have studied, that you have to remember. If you don't remember, then how will you know what we are going to study? But I will repeat. I'm repeating. It's not that I'm not repeating. You have to retain it. Savarna is that two letters are called Savarna when their Ucharana Sthanam and the effort is same. When you say A is Kanta, A is also Kanta, therefore Savarna we say. What about Prayatna? Prayatna is also same only. Effort also same. What is the difference between these two? Surendraji, A and A, what is the difference?
Ucharana Sthanam. In Prerana, Na is Anusara. So,
No, I'm asking, what is the difference between the vowel A and the vowel A?
one
Is
is
there any
Dirgha.
That's what.
Yeah.
So that one is A is Dirgha, A is Rasva.
Yeah.
So therefore, Ucharana Sthanam doesn't change.
Yes.
Prayatna also is not going to change. Prayatna is the effort also not going to change. Only thing is you are stretching it for a certain matra. That's all. That is the only difference. Matra will not cause the change in the prayatna, the effort. Effort is the physical effort. The effort what you have to open your mouth. You have to open your mouth and say effort is involved. That is internal effort. And when that this effort has to start from inside, internal effort, and when it manifests through your mouth, operating your tongue, the tongue touching the different parts of the mouth, then Bhagya Prayatnam, that is called external effort. So when the place of pronunciation and effort is same, and the effort also internal effort is same, we are very specific to, then we call it as Savarna. Now,
Guruji, question. What is internal effort? Sorry.
that's not required technical, highly technical. Okay.
Oh, oh.
Just I said internal effort.
Like for Jivva Mulya or Upadmaniya, that is the effort, right?
Jikvamulya Upadmaniya, it is the name of the Visarga or the Visarga. Where is the effort there? It's a name, it's a Sanya, it's a name. As you have name Tanuja, similarly they have got the name. The name of the Ardha Visarga is Jikvamulya Upadmaniya. The same Ardha Visarga get the Sanya. Jikvamulya when followed by Ka or Kha, when followed by Pa or Pa, it gets Upadmaniya.
Dhanyavad.
So Ardha Visarga gets a name. See, how you say it is an effort? We chant the Shiksha Sutrani, Upu Upadmani Yanam. We list out the letters and then say that Ucharana Sthanam is Oshtau. How can the Upadmaniya be a Ucharana Sthanam? It is a name. Akuka Visarjaniyanam Kantaha, Ichu Yashanam Talu. What does it mean? Akuha Visarga, they have the Ucharana Sthanam Kanta. Ichu Yasha, they have the Ucharana Sthanam Talu. Similarly, Upu Upadmaniya we say. Ukara and Pavarga, Upadmaniya, they have the Ucharana Sthanam Oshta, Oshtau, lips. Upper lip, lower lip.
Okay,
Right?
Guruji. Okay.
Whatever Jnanam is, it should be Samyak Jnanam. It has to be Samyak Jnanam. Very clear knowledge. Okay, no confusion in that.
Okay.
Pramanam
No,
is
but-
Shiksha Sutrani itself is the Pramanam. Shiksha Sutrani, in fact, we chant every class.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, therefore, Savarna, we know what it is. It has we have to understand what Savarna and all very clearly. No samshaya with regard to that. What I said was Yakara and Anunasika Yakara. That is Anunasika Yakara. For Yakara, its Anunasika component is Yakara with nasalized, that Chandrabindu, nasalized Yakara. That is Yakara, which is pronounced with the help of nose. Can you pronounce Yakara with the help of nose? What is Ucharana Sthanam of Yakara? Only pure Yakara. Surendraji. What is the Ucharana Sthanam of Yakara?
Yakara, it will be, yeah.
We are chanting every class, okay?
Palatal, no?
Palate. Yakara is
Top
palate.
portion, top portion of the earth. Mouth. What?
Ichuyashanam talu. Remember the sutra, Shiksha Sutra. Ichuyashanam talu. So
Okay.
yakara is talu, palate. Now, yakara is palate. It is not through nose, right? When this yakara is pronounced with the nose, then that yakara will become yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the nose is involved. Therefore, yakara and this yeah, they are savarna. They are considered to be savarna. This yakara, even though it has got nose, nasal pronunciation, still it is considered to be savarna. So that is why I said for yakara, the anunasika savarna varna is ya, the yakara with chandra bindu. Similarly for vakara, va, for lakara, la, for repa doesn't have savarna. Is it clear?
Yeah, very clear.
Yes. So now when anuswara, parastavana sandhi number, para means you have to understand. See, everywhere we use the word savarna sandhi. Savarna, purva savarna, parastavarna, savarna must be clear. Important word, savarna. That which is not savarna is asavarna, non-similar, dissimilar. So anuswara will be replaced by savarna of the following A letter. That is the number one. So followed by A letter, whatever may be the A letter we have seen, then anuswara will be replaced by the anunasika letter. Anunasika letter of the following A letter. Anunasika savarna of the following A letter. So plus kaha, anuswara followed by ka. So kavarga. What are the savarna letters of ka? What are these savarna letters of kakara?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Why is you saying yeah, Surendraji?
Kaka gagan, yeah, yeah.
All the letters are savarna only, in fact. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Gunda.
Kha, kha, ga, ga, nga.
Yeah.
They are savarna letters.
Yes, Savarna.
But here we are talking about anuswara. Anuswara is nasika, nasal. And the nasal letter of the kavarga letter is fifth letter, nakara. Therefore, that replaces. Is it understood? Clear?
Yeah, yeah.
So, anuswara replaced by the fifth letter of that particular class. Why fifth letter? Because that is anunasika. Therefore, ankaha, gam plus ga, ganga. Here you have to do this sandhi. It's a must. There is no choice. Now, if you see the number 2, parastavarna and sandhi number 2, they're also the same, but there it is padanta anuswara. That is why I named it as parastavana sandhi number 2. Parastavana sandhi number 1 is followed by a letter, whereas parastavana sandhi number 2, this is our naming, okay. There is no following. If anuswara at the end of the padam, then anuswara has to be replaced by the A letter follows. That A letter follows the replacement. The replacement with the savarna of the A letter is optional, because here we are talking about, in the previous one we talked about apadanta anuswara. Here we are talking about padanta anuswara. Padanta anuswara means anuswara at the end of the padam. When you are not doing something, nothing will happen. When you are going to do something, then you have to see what letter follows. What letter follows? If it is a A letter, for the following is a A letter, then anuswara is there at the end of the purvapadam. Then the purvapadam can be optionally replaced. Can be optionally replaced. Like what? Tvam patasi. Tvam is anuswara at the end of the padam, followed by another padam beginning with A letter pakara. Now, between the padam, sandhi is optional. If you are not doing sandhi, tvam patasi will remain tvam patasi. If you are doing sandhi, then you have to see what letter follows. A letter follows. Therefore, anuswara will be replaced by the anunasika letter, which is makara, fifth letter, tvam patasi, you get. The same thing I have given here. Gatum. Gatum. Anuswara is at the end of the padam, followed by another padam beginning with yakara. When you are
Yes.
doing sandhi, tum anuswara will be replaced by the anunasika component of yakara, the A letter. So gatui. So when you chant gatui yajnaya, this you will see in chanting not only in Veda as well as in Gita and all, everywhere we use this. Anuswara. Anuswara sandhi number 2. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji, I have a question for words like from Vishnu Sahasranama, like Samvrit. Anuswara is followed by Vakara, right?
Becomes
So
va.
Vakara is
Hmm.
a your love was, that is a palate. No, that is the from the labial basically, right?
Vakara is labial. You have to tell me. I don't know.
Your is your love. Yeah, it's mine.
Do you listen to the recordings after the class?
I do not do that. Yeah, actually, I have to start, Guruji.
That's why you have to listen to the recording. You have to do some homework. Vakarasya
I-
danta oshtam we say. Why you are confusing with yara lava? Ucharana sthanam is danta and oshta. Please memorize the Shiksha Sutrani, Pratyahara Sutrani. These are important. Otherwise, how do we understand this?
Okay.
See, we need to do some homework, right?
I know I do that, Guruji, but my
Hmm.
best, I think my style is not correct actually. No, yeah.
You
And
follow
I'm
the
getting
style as it is taught here in the class. See, I repeat many times, many things. Class is not going at a fast pace also. So
Right.
listen, leisurely listen, and make sure that whatever you listen is listen for once for all. It is the knowledge is clear. That is important. Any knowledge has to be very clear. There should not be any vague knowledge.
right.
Yara lava, why you say I don't know. Ya is palatal, Ra is cerebral, La is dental, and Va is Vakarasya Danta Oshtam. Ucharana sthanam is, it's not only labial. Danta is first. When you say Va, you say thus Va. How do you say? You just watch yourself. How do you say Va? Don't you use your tongue, the lips and the teeth?
Teeth, yeah.
Teeth is
Right.
there. Vakarasya Danta Oshtam.
Okay. Thank you,
Anyway.
Guruji.
No, you
Dhanyavad.
didn't ask your question. In fact, before you ask your question, first I corrected the Ucharana
Thank you.
sthanam of Vakara.
Yeah.
What is the question now?
Okay, Samvrit. So there is the Anuswara there on the Sa, followed by Vrit.
Yes, we can
which is
say
Vakara.
Samvrit. We can say Samvrit. That Anuswara can be replaced by the Anunasika of Vakara. That you can do. That you can do.
Anunasika of Anunasika of Vakara will be Ma, right? Yeah, okay, yeah.
No. Just now I explained. You are
Yeah,
again
yeah.
going back to the same mistake.
Okay, Tatha, I mean, no, Nakara and Makara, right? In between the both of them, correct?
No, I didn't explain like that. I think you are, I don't know, when I teach, please pay attention to what I'm teaching. You are not listen to what I said. I said 2 times and third time I'm doing now. For Yakara, the Anunasika component is nasalized Yakara, I said. Similarly, for Vakara, this Savarna is nasalized Vakara, I said. You didn't listen this?
Okay.
I typed here and showed. For Yakara, the Savarna, Anunasika, Savarna component is Ya. And for Vakara, the Anunasika component is Ma. Come on, this is you have to see. When I type, you have to watch that.
Okay, Guru, thanks. Sorry.
Then why you say Nakara, Makara, I don't understand.
Yeah, okay, I see. No, because I was okay, got it now. Yeah. Sorry about that.
Specifically, I'm typing and showing it. This third time I'm doing now.
Yeah, I have to be alert actually. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay.
Not only you, I think many people have to be alert. They all keep the mic in mute. I don't know whether, and you have to respond. Understand? That's why I ask 100 times. Understand.
Truly appreciate this, Guruji. Thank you so much for clarification. I mean, thank you so much. I got that.
Yes. Please be alert in the class and ask questions. If you have any questions, yeah, keep other things outside. Don't do other parallel activity and listen. Then listening will not take place. Okay, then I hope you understand now. So we'll move on to the next Sandhi. Next Sandhi is, pay attention here. Tavarga follows, simple Sandhi. This is, those who study Panini, if they don't know any other sutra, at least this sutra definitely they know thoroughly. Simple one, they know it. When Tavarga is followed by Lakara, you see, followed by Lakara, specifically Lakara is there. Then the Tavarga will be replaced by Lakara. The Tavarga will be replaced by Lakara. Any Tavarga letter. Any Tavarga letter, ta, tha, dha, dha, na, followed by Lakara. Lakara is a semi-vowel Lakara. Then what happens? The Takara or the ta, tha, da, dha, na, any letter that will be replaced by Vakara. Now you tell me, I will type, I'll give a udaharan here. You can answer. Yat lasati. What is the answer? Simple one.
Yallasati.
Yal lasati. Yat Tavarga letter followed by Lakara. So Takara will be replaced by Lakara. Yal lasati. Right?
Yes.
Now the next one. Yal lasati. This comes in Gita. Shraddhavan plus labate.
Shraddhaval labhate.
What will happen?
Shraddhaval labhate.
Shraddhaval labate. Shraddhaval labate. This is what you're saying. What is the difference between the first example and the second example? There's some difference. First example and the second example, between the two, there is some difference.
That is an Anunasika.
Very good.
Shraddha.
Which is Anunasika?
Nakara.
Nakara is Anunasika.
Nakara. So the Chandra Bindu will come.
That's what. Now related to what I just said now. Yakara as its Anunasika component, ya. Vakara has got va. Similarly, Lakara has got la. I said, yes or no? Did it say or not?
Yes.
The same thing will come. So therefore, here,
Shraddhaval labhate.
Nakara being Anunasika, followed by Lakara, the Nakara has to be replaced by Lakara. But Nakara being Anunasika, therefore the Anunasika of Lakara will come. That is Shraddhaval labhate. This will be the form. Understand? That is why the Anunasika I explained. That's important to be remembered. Shraddhaval labhate jnanam. From the Gita only, this shloka is there. Shraddhavan purushaha jnanam labhate. Guru upadishta jnanam labhate. Shraddhavan. That's called Shraddha. Shastreshu Guru Vakyeshu Vishwasaha Shraddha Yaha Yasya Shraddha Asti Tasya Jnanam Bhavati. Shraddhavan labhate. Jnanam labhate. Shraddhavan labhate. These two examples serve the all the things are done. So ta letter we have done. Similarly, for ta tha dha dha na, when these four letters, any of the four letters followed by Lakara, then it is replaced by Lakara. When the Nakara comes, which is Anunasika, replace it by corresponding Anunasika component of Lakara, which is La. That is the rule. Thoroughly. This comes after this Anuswara Sandhi number 2, Parasavana Sandhi number 2. This is the order, you can remember. Then the next one. Is it clear? Number 28? Yes or no?
Yes, Sharanji. So for everything tatha, dada, it will be replaced by lakara.
Yes.
And for this, okay.
But nakara is on being anunasika, therefore replaced by anunasika
No.
savarna.
Yeah, got it.
Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, please.
So Guruji,
Ji.
Hmm.
so here we are applying 8460 first and then 8459 also comes, right? Because the last material Anunasika, then we are going back to the previous rule, right?
What is the connection? How are we going back to the previous one? Tell me. How? Where is previous rule talks about a replacement of anuswara? Here, where is anuswara? Where are we anuswara talking about here? That's no connection. You are
Shuddhavan Labati, so it becomes Shuddhaval Labati, and then we are applying the previous rule, right?
where is the previous rule? Tell me
The
the
previous
previous.
rule is, it says, if it is,
If it is,
yeah, if this is the previous rule that Padanta Anuswara, right?
where is anuswara here?
No, if it becomes Shuddhaval Labati, so then the last letter of the first word is Anuswara, right?
Is it anuswara? That's first of all, problem is you don't understand what is anuswara and what is anunasika. That's a confusion. That's a problem. That's why I'm asking, understand what is the difference between anuswara and anunasika? Are they same?
Anuswara is a bindu.
One is fifth. One is Anunasika is
Okay, okay, got it, Guruji. Sorry.
with that.
It is good at least you clarified. I don't know how many people have the same doubt. Not understanding what is anuswara, what anunasika.
Anusara is the bindu. Is
Anuswara, not anusara. Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Anuswara is bindu. Anunasika is fifth letter of all the class letters, class consonants. That's a difference. Nasika is there. Understand? Anuswara is Ucharana Sthanam of Anuswara is Nasika. What about the Ucharana Sthanam of Anunasika? Tell me,
So Nasika.
Rajaji. What is the answer? Ucharana Sthanam of Anuswara is Nasika, nose. Ucharana Sthanam of Anunasika is what?
Same, no, Guruji.
How can be same? Nasika is there. Not only Nasika, along with the nose, the respective class to which it belongs. That is the main place of pronunciation. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. Nga is Kantha plus Nasika. Kantha is Mukhya Sthanam. Nasika is Gauna Sthanam, secondary. It belongs to that class, Kavarga. Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha. Kanta plus Nasika, whereas Anuswara is always Nasika.
Okay, got it, Guruji.
Two are totally different rules. If Anuswara Anunasika is not clear, please make it clear. Okay,
Okay, Guruji.
it's important.
Yeah.
All these are basic things. That's why the previous classes, please listen to again and again. The basics have to be very strong. When we dealt with even Akshara, starting from Akshara, vowels, consonants, we dealt there itself in detail. We didn't give any gap there. The basics have to be strong. On that basic only, we are building all these things. Doubt will come, it's natural, but get it clear then and there. It's good, at least you asked. I don't know how many of you have got doubt. You have to ask and get it clear.
Guruji, just one more doubt. Can I ask now or?
Yes, please ask now. It's good. You ask.
Yeah.
Others also will be benefited.
Yeah. In this Jashwa Sandhi, we are telling that.
Here, okay, before that, before you ask.
Yeah.
I took this example, Yat Lasati, just don't do Yel Lasati. You apply Jashwa Sandhi because you said Jashwa Sandhi, I remember now. You have to apply Jashwa Sandhi, go by the order because Jashwa Sandhi is the first Sandhi which is applicable. After that, you see any other Sandhi you can applicable. This after applying Jashwa Sandhi number 1, takara becoming dakara, it is not followed by jash, therefore you cannot apply jash vidhi number 2, and it is not a kar letter also. So charta vidhi and all you cannot apply. Therefore, you can apply now this rule number. You have to give a name. Latva adesha. Latva sandhi, something we have to give. You can apply Latva sandhi. This is my name, okay. I'm just giving a name to sandhi. This is Latva sandhi. Latva is lakara is a adesha, therefore Latva sandhi. So after that, you apply Latva sandhi. Okay. So in this example also, please see yatta plus lasati, yal lasati. So you don't forget the middle step. There I applied Jashtva sandhi. You can see. Yeah. Now you ask.
Yeah. So in the Jastra Sandhi, Guruji, if the last letter of the Jal word is sha, sa, then we said it will be replaced by Jash. So which means all the 3 letters will be replaced by the Talavya Shakara, which is there in Jash. Just wanted to confirm.
First, you tell me whether Talavya Shakara is there in the Jash letter.
Yeah, it is there.
Is there? Please tell me the Pratyahara.
So this is the Jabagada Dash, right? So it's ending with
Ending with
Shakara, no?
Ending with Shakara. So it means Shakara is also included, right?
Correct.
Really? Is it like that? No.
No.
You don't know.
Generally,
No.
No, we don't include that, but I just want to know how then what
Then
letter will replace Shasha, Sa?
No. Jabagada Dash. If question says Shakara is there in Jabagada Dash, then Shashasa, everything will be replaced by Shakara. That is your question, right?
Correct, Guruji.
I'm asking you a counter question. Jabagada Dash, does it include Talavya Shakara? Yes or no?
I think it is yes.
Yes, yes.
No,
You
because
include
it's
all
not-
the
no.
eth letters. They are called eth letters. You know, you have to recollect what we have studied. All the pratyaharas.
Okay.
Pratyaharas and all we studied in the 60th or some class before. Jabagada Dash. What is pratyahara? Okay. Again, we are going back to pratyahara. What is pratyahara? Tell me, what is pratyahara, Rajaji?
Sorry, Guruji. I'm blank.
I think I should not have asked this question. Okay, you're putting me in a spot.
It's actually too much now. I mean, yeah, I know.
It's not too much. It's very simple. See,
it needs a lot of practice, sir.
Not just to be alert and listen, it will happen. Okay, just this is sharpens your brain and makes you very active thinking in terms of thinking. It's all very cogent and it is systematically it is presented. Nothing is just made. It's thrusted upon you to accept. This is how it is now. It is highly logical, right?
Yeah.
Highly logical, analytical. If you have a rational and this analytical thinking, you will understand. Thinking is required first. Understand, think and understand. Just letter, when we say ja, ba, ga, da, da, only Shakara is not included as a content of the Pratyahara Jash.
Okay.
This is what everywhere is. When you say Ach, okay, now let me ask you a simple question. What is Ach, Rajaji? What is Ach?
Ach is all the vowels.
Why you say all the vowels? I even Nakara is there, the consonant, or you should include. Why you are not including that? Riluk is there, Kakara is there, that also you have to include. Ye Ong is there, Nakara is there, that also you have to include. I ouch, Chakara is there, that also. So you have to say all the vowels plus these 4 consonants. Do you tell that? Do you say like that? Yes or no?
Okay, got it.
Then why do you say all the vowels? Do you say all the vowels or you say the vowels plus consonants? The same thing here also. Why here partiality? Jabagada Dash. Jabagada. There is no Shakara. Shakara is only a packing letter.
Okay.
Like the courier packing, it's a packing. You throw away the courier, take the content. Content is ja, ba, ga, da, da. Now, there also I will ask, what is ja? That akara is only for ucharanatham. Ja is only jakara. Jakara, bakara, dakara, Okay, it's only the consonant. Akara is we added for Ucharanartham. Akara is there in the vowel. Jakara is not here. Jabagadada, when we say it is Jakara, Bakara, Dakara, the consonant with the nether stroke, pure consonant alone. All these things you have to understand very clearly, basic things, right?
Yeah.
So there is no question of Sha Shasa replaced by Sha. It is not there at all because Shakara not there. Then what it will replace? Shakara will be replaced by what letter? You tell me. If Shakara cannot be, Shakara is the Sha, Sha, Sa is there. These letters are Padanta letter, Jal letter. Now it has to be replaced by Jash letter. What letter you will choose now? Among the Java, Gada, the. Simple question. Anybody can answer.
So Shakara is palatal. So then we have to look for a palatal letter in the Jabagadada.
Yeah, tell me what is that letter?
Chavarga.
Don't say
The cha-
Chavarga. Specifically.
Ja, ja,
Ja, ja.
ja.
Ja letter. Jakara. Jakara will be the replacement. Then Murdanya Shakara would be replaced by
Murdanya Nakara. Sorry.
Nakara.
Cha, cha.
Chacha. What is Chacha?
धा झा करते धा
Da, da.
धा
Ja. Ba. Da is the da will come.
Da.
धा for मूर्धन्य नकार मूर्धन्य शकारा
Dakara will come in the place of Murdanya Shakara.
शकारा
If it is Sakara, then what will come?
Dakara will.
Dakara will
Dakara.
come. That's all. Simple. Only 5 choices are there. You have to select one among the 5 in the place of Jal. Only 5 horoscopes have come. You have to select one among the 5. Which one you are going to marry? Simple. You don't have choice at all. Right? The Swayambara. This Shakara, that Padanta Jal chooses one among the 5. How does it choose? In terms of Samana, Ucharana, Sthanam. How it can connect with? What is the proximity? What is that it makes them, makes them connect together? That mainly is Ucharana Sthanam. You have to see that, right? Is it clear?
Okay. Okay, got it, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Okay, the next Sandhi now, 29. So Latta Sandhi, simple, very simple Sandhi that we have done. The next one is, pay attention here, important. Now, I just simply say this, remember, this Akara. Okay, let me explain this. Read this Sandhi and then explain. When Hakara is preceded by J letter. Now tell me what are the J letters? What are
1,
the?
2, first, second, third, and fourth.
Hey, Gada,
second third
Always start from
Fourth,
4.
third.
J is there, right? Start from there. That is better always.
Fourth, third,
4
second,
3
and
2
first.
1
4,
4,
3,
3, 2.
4, 3, 2.
4, 3, 2, 1, right? When Hakara is preceded by J, now Hakara is preceded by J, right? Hakara will be replaced. And what is Sthani here? What
Hakara,
is
akara
Hakara is
Hakara.
Sthani. Sthani means what?
the one
the
that will
place
be
where
replaced.
replacement takes place
Replacement takes place, that is Sthani. That
Yes,
which
sir.
replaces is called
Adesha.
Adesha.
adesha
Adesha. Now, Hakara will be replaced optionally. Optionally means choice is there. Therefore, 2 forms will be there, with replacement, without replacement. Will be replaced optionally by the 4th letter of the class to which that J belongs. What is the 4th letter of the class? 4th letter of J letter. What are the 4th letter of J letter? Tell me.
Jaband and
Jaband,
Gadadash.
Jab.
That's what it is. Jha, bha, gha, dha, da. These are the 4th letters, right? Fourth, chaturtha, varga, chaturtha. Therefore, when Hakara is preceded by J letter, Hakara will be replaced optionally by the corresponding 4th letter of that class. Now, let me give an example. And this is optional. Replace or without replacement. Two forms will be there. Now let us take this udaharanam. With this sandhi, you will stop. But please do homework. Go to the video recordings again. Listen. Samshaya hasti chet. Clarify then and there itself. Don't carry forward. Vak plus hasati is there. Now, what is a sthani here?
Akara.
Where is that? Akara.
Sorry,
Here it is.
Hakara. Yeah.
Akhara, and the rule says preceded by. Preceded by what letter?
Akara.
Jai.
Jai letter. And what is the Jai letter here?
Kakara.
Kakara,
Akara.
right? So Kakara preceded by Jai letter Kakara. Then this Hakara will be replaced by the fourth letter of the Jai letter, whichever class it belongs. Which class is that? Kavarga class. Kavarga class fourth letter is what?
Ga.
Ha.
That will come. That is a replacement. So therefore, what will happen to this?
Hakara.
Huh?
Vag.
Vak, then after that.
Gasati.
Ghasati. Tell that. Without any fear,
Ghasati.
say Ghasati. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
It is partially correct, I would say, not completely. This, you have applied this sandhi correctly. Rule number 29, you applied. That is, rule number 29, you applied. But what did I say? From the very beginning, I've been saying. What is
Just
that?
sandhi we have to apply.
Very
Just
good.
Sandhi, rule number one.
Applies, start, always follow that prakriya, that steps. So what will happen to Kakara now? If you apply just sandhi,
Gakara.
Replacement.
Kakara.
replaced by
Gakara.
Third of its class.
Josh.
third of the class. Vak plus asati. After that, can you apply any other rule? You have to see. I know no rules are applied. So you have to see that there are no rules. Okay. Because followed by, not by a kar letter or not by a just letter, nothing, just vidhi number 2 and chattu vidhi and all doesn't apply. Then you have to come to this rule only. You have to come to this rule here. Now, Hakara is there. Preceded by what letter?
Jai letter.
Same Jai letter only. Jai
Jai
only.
letter.
Now you can apply this rule. So Vag Ghasati.
Gasati.
If you don't apply this rule, what is the form? Vag Asati. Vag Asati. You can keep like this also. This is also okay. Both two forms are there. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Jai.
This is 8462. It is at the end, almost at the end. So now let me give another example. It's the same as the previous one. Tad plus hitams. Do it step by step. Don't just jump into this. You may not get the form sometimes. Or let me do like this. Tat plus itam. Now do the sandhi.
Just
Just
a
to Sandhi first.
Just for
Dakara will
Sandhi.
be replaced by Dakara.
Tad plus hitam. After that,
Then
Then
Shukta.
we apply
replaced by
Nothing applies.
da.
tha, fourth letter,
Tad-
tha. So
Hitam.
tadhitam, you get tadhitam
Hitam.
or tad hitam.
Hitam.
Tadhitam. Both are possible. Okay. I think we can stop here.
Oi.
Any
Why two forms, Guruji? This Vag Gasati or Vag.
optional replacement we said. Optionally replaced. So therefore, if you don't replace it, what will be there? Nothing is the same. That's what it is.
But during chanting, we should split this and read, or we can read
Not like
along
that.
with
That's-
along with Sandhi. You can read.
That's your
Chanting.
choice. Yes. In the Yeah, that split and chant, or together we can chant. That choice is there. And whichever you want to read, that also Vak
And it
Asati or
depends upon
Vagas.
the meter also, you know, that also.
That depends. Yes, you can do as you like. Yes. Okay. Any
Guruji,
doubts? Yeah.
Guruji, instead of writing fourth letter of the class, can we write Jash also, or is there a reason we are stating fourth letter?
You can write just letter. Yeah, that's what the fourth letter is. What is the fourth letter? Fourth letter is
Yeah. No. Everywhere we are writing Jash. So only here we are saying fourth letter. That's why I just want.
yes. You can say you can say Jash letter. Jash. Okay. This is Jamai Ghadadash. You can say.
Yeah.
This is not said in the rule. That's why I say just fourth letter. You can say one more pratyahara will come. You have to remember. Okay. Fine. We'll stop here. Any doubts?
No, we'll have to go through the homework again and
Please go through. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. And small thing announcement. This every Thursday I'm doing Mundaka Upanishad Bhashyam. So from this week Thursday I'm planning to do Panchadashi every alternate weeks. Interested? Please join. I will send the link to all the batches.
which time?
Which time? 5:30 to 6:30. Panchadashi.
Morning.
Always morning only. All the classes only in the morning.
Problem is in the
I would
morning.
like to join.
I will send the link. Whoever wants to join Panchadashi, it's an extension. It's a what do you call it? It's a extension of Tattva Bodha, Vedanta Sara, we can say. Tattva Bodha extension is Vedanta Sara. It is further elaborately discussed in Panchadashi, one of the beautiful texts by Vidyaranya Muni. So every alternate weeks and other days, alternate week now currently Mundaka Upanishad is on. That will be every alternate weeks. Okay. Dhanyawada. Thank you.
Guruji,
Dhanyawada.
Guruji,
Dhanyawada. Yeah, yes.
Dhanyawada.
one doubt, Guruji.
Yes.
Guruji, this exercise that we have seen,
We are do it. We'll do it.
we have seen up to 23 words. So should we continue from 24th, or should we start from the beginning, applying all the rules?
You start from the beginning, very good, in case if you miss it. And we'll do it in the next class, the exercise.
So we'll start from the beginning. No?
Okay, we'll do it from the beginning.
Yes, Ji.
Okay, Guruji.
Thank you.
Dhanyawada, Guruji.
Dhanyawada.
Thank you. Namaste, Guruji. Hari Om.
Namaste.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Dhanyawada.